Yes, I hope we can all do that. An equation in slope, intercept, form given a point and the slope. So today's is a little bit different, but not much.
Is it fun?
Pardon?
Is it fun?
It is super fun. It's so much fun you won't be able to stand it. Do you need his help writing? I've got some.
Oh, no, we just have to hit.
We'll pause for you. What size do you need? 0.7?
What are you seeing?
Alright, let's do this. So, what is our goal by the end of the class period today?
And slow.
Okay, awesome.
You're welcome.
Oh, so you just.
No, everybody's already said it. I just thought you had a question. Alright, so example 1. Our first example today says, write an equation in, how are we going to write it? Slope, intercept. Those are two different things, so we got to be careful about how we say it. Form. Okay. Are we ready? Okay. Get super excited. Okay, so we are going to write an equation in slope-intercept form. Our point is 4, 3, and our m equals 2. Now, who can raise their hand, not scream at me, and tell me what slope-intercept form is? Austin?
What it is or what it was for this one?
I want you to tell me what slope-intercept form is. Just the generic slope-intercept form.
I don't remember. Wait, yes I do. Wait, no.
No, tell me what slope-intercept form is. Yes, that's all I want.
Yay!
Take a point. Y equals mx plus b. So when I say what is slope-intercept form, I want this.
Oh, wait. I thought you wanted like what it is.
Now, what are we given here?
Four.
We're given the slope and what else? A point. Okay? What is a point? A point on a graph, so what is it?
A slope.
It's coordinate, so what is that? Close. These aren't the x-intercepts or y-intercept. What is this? That's an ordered pair. What is an ordered pair? X and Y. There we go. We get there eventually. So this is X, Y. Does everybody understand so far? So we are given a coordinate, and it told us that we were going to be given a point in our learning target. This is the point. It's X, Y, and we have M. What do we not have this time than we had before? B. So what are we going to have to find?
B.
How are we going to find
We did
it?
this last year.
We're going to multiply, but what are we going to multiply?
4. 4.
Now, do we have our information?
No.
We have all kinds of information. We have an X, we have a Y. What did it tell us right here was X? It was an X coordinate. What did it tell us was Y? Did they give us an X coordinate and Y coordinate?
Yes.
Alright, so everybody label X, Y. Now, our generic equation is Y equals MX plus B. Is everybody with me so far?
Yes.
Now, what is our Y value?
3.
3. Alright, so we're going to plug in 3 for Y. And remember, Y is different from B. B is our Y-intercept. Y is the Y coordinate. They're two different things. Okay? Alright, now do we know what M is?
2.
2. And do we know what X is?
4.
Do we know what B is?
No.
So we write plus B. Ooh, look at us go.
And then, I know.
Okay, now what are we going to do from here?
Multiply 2 times 4.
Yes, awesome. So we get 3 equals 8 plus B. Now don't scream. I just want everybody to see how we got here. Does everybody see how we got here? We plugged in our information. Alright, now Kimberly, can you tell me how to get B by itself? Take a point for your team. Now, why did I subtract 8 from the 8 and the 3?
So you can find them.
And why did I not subtract it from the B? Man, look at you go. Alright, and Austin, can you tell me what 3 minus 8 is?
Negative 5.
Alright, does everybody see where we got our information from so far?
Yes.
Are we sure?
Yes.
Okay, now the directions say to write an equation in slope-intercept form. Do we have the information for slope-intercept form? We do.
Now we can solve it.
Okay, now we're doing just like we did the other day. We're plugging into slope-intercept form. So we write y equals, what's our slope?
2.
2x. What's our y-intercept?
Let's be negative minus equal.
Yes. Take a point, Jorge.
But I thought it was plus me, so I thought you had to leave the B.
But since it's negative, you write minus.
I thought you just did the plus and then the negative.
You don't have to do that. You can just write minus. Does everybody see how we got that?
Yes.
Are we sure? We're going to do one more together just to be safe, okay? How do we feel so far? We feel fantastic. If we were any better, it would be a unicorn. Well, let's be unicorns.
So, not a unicorn, but an angel. Wait.
Alright, so. Alright, now we have negative 3, negative 6, and m equals 5. Stop looking at me. Water. Alright, so what do they give us this time? The X and Y, and what else? The M. Awesome. Okay. So, I'm stuck. I know, it's terrible. It was so scary. Alright, so now we're plugging it into slope-intercept form because that's what it asks us to do, correct? Okay. Now, what does Y equal this time? Negative 6 equals. What does M equal?
5.
5. What does X equal?
3.
Plus B.
And then
No. Does everybody see where we got that from? Are we all okay so far? Okay. Now, what are we going to do with the 5 and negative 3? Multiply. What's 5 times a negative 3?
Negative 15. Ooh, I got this. And you add 15.
Then you add 15 to both sides. Why do we add 15?
Because it's minus, so you do the opposite and you subtract.
Now, am I going to add 15 to B?
No.
Why?
because
They're not like terms. Can't do it.
And you get 9.
You do. Alright, does everybody see where we got 9 from?
Yes.
Are we sure?
Yes.
How excited are we?
Not a lot.
Okay, now, what do the directions ask us to do?
Write it in Write it as well.
Yes. All right. Now, how do we write it? All right, Damien, tell me what to do.
Y equals -3.
Mm-mm.
Oh wait, no, y equals -6.
Y equals 5m plus 2.
Y equals 5x.
Oh, 5x.
No, it's 9.
Woo! Look at us go. Good job, guys. Okay. So we're going to do one more like this, and then we're going to add a fraction. Get excited. And then we're going to graph, because that's what we're trying to do. All right, C, as in cotato. All right, so you were going to solve this one without me. Yes.
I want to know before you show
Right? In this format, so you
Yes.
really have to plug in all the values of x and y right
No, you just plug in M and B. That's it. All right, how'd we do? Y equals 12x minus 85. How'd we do?
We did good.
We did good? Are we ready to add a fraction?
Absolutely not.
Okay? I understand. No. ¿Por qué yo lo digo? No, we're in class.
Keep trading.
All right, D.
Shut down.
All right, so I'm really excited for this one. We're going to do 6, 9, and our slope is going to be 1/3.
Alright. Wait, we didn't work out the other one again.
Yes, we did. You just weren't paying attention. You were talking.
I was doing push-ups.
No, when we actually did it, you were talking.
Did I get right? Was it negative 85
Did you write the equation?
Oh, y equals 12x minus 8.
Yes. All right, so now remember, we're trying to get it in the form of y equals mx plus b. We know that 6 is our x, 9 is our y. Okay? And what is our m this time?
1/3.
M is 1/3.
Oh, no, you did see?
Yes.
I know.
Did you get y equals 12x minus 85? I know. If you sang a little less and worked a little more, you'd be on the same page. All right, so now we're going to plug everything in. What is y?
It's 9.
9. What is m?
1/3.
And what is x?
6.
Plus b. Now, what are fractions? It's division. Take a point. So that means that we're going to do 6 divided by 3. So all we have to do is divide. And as Jorge said, it is 2. Take a point, Jorge.
Wow, you're right.
So you just do 6 divided by 3. Fractions are division. All you have to do is divide. Is everybody with me? All right, now what do we do to get b by itself? No, what do I subtract? Minus 2. See?
7.
All right, now, do we know what our m is?
Yep.
Do we know what our b is?
Yes. 6.
All right, Alexis, I would like you to help me write this in slope intercept form.
I didn't raise my hand.
That's not how it works. I would like you to help me write this in slope intercept form.
What do you mean, like,
We're putting our information into slope intercept form.
y equals, m,
What is m?
7. 1/3, my bad. And then, by that, you put x, and by that, you put, 7.
Fantastic. Take a point for your team.
Yeah.
All right, do we need to do one more fraction together? Okay, I want you to do it without me.
Can we go over today? No homework today, right?
If we get our work done, no homework.
Alright, man. So she's pretty. I'm
So why they saying they
I'm
can
telling her she do the dog.
I'm sorry.
Why they saying they can
No cooking, cheese.